daily practice for English.
How are you?
I'm good. Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
Where are you from?
I'm from India.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
What's your phone number?
It's 985-43975.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, my best friend's name is Lisa.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 2 sisters.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my parents.
Do you have children?
No, I don't have children.
Do you spend a lot of time with your family?
Yes, we spend time together every weekend.
Who are you closest to in your family?
I'm closest to my mother.
Do you visit your relatives often?
Yes, I visit my relatives during the holidays.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
What's your favorite sport?
I love playing soccer.
What's your favorite dessert?
I love chocolate cake.
Do you prefer morning or night?
I'm a morning person.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
Do you prefer cats or dogs?
I prefer dogs.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
What's your favorite place to visit?
I love going to the mountains for hiking.
What's your favorite time of the day?
My favorite time is the morning.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
Can you drive a car?
Yes, I can drive.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
What's your hobby?
I love reading books.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
Do you watch TV often?
Yes, I watch TV every evening.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I love cycling.
What do you do in your free time?
I like watching movies.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I love swimming and relaxing by the sea.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the piano.
What kind of books do you like to read?
I enjoy mystery and adventure books.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I listen to pop and rock music, sometimes pop and jazz.
Do you collect anything?
Yes, I collect stamps.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I find it very relaxing.
Do you like drawing or painting?
Yes, I enjoy painting landscapes.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play tennis.
What time is it?
It's 3 p.m.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10 p.m.
What did you have for breakfast?
I had cereal and milk.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I like to hang out with friends.
How do you spend your evenings?
I usually read or watch TV.
How do you spend your free time?
I enjoy exploring new hobbies and learning new things.
How do you stay healthy?
I eat healthy and exercise regularly.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
Do you prefer hot or cold weather?
I prefer hot weather.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I've been to France.
What's the best trip you've ever taken?
My trip to Japan was amazing.
Do you prefer traveling by plane or car?
I prefer traveling by plane because it's faster.
How often do you travel?
I try to travel at least once a year.
Where would you like to travel next?
I'd love to visit Australia next.
Do you enjoy road trips?
Yes, I love going on road trips.
Have you ever been to a tropical island?
Yes, I've been to the Maldives.
What's your favorite city to visit?
My favorite city is Paris.
Do you prefer city vacations or nature vacations?
I prefer nature vacations.
Do you like traveling with friends or alone?
I prefer traveling with friends.
What's your favorite travel memory?
My favorite memory is watching the sunset in Santorini.
Are you learning any new skills?
Yes, I'm learning to cook.
How long have you been studying English?
I've been studying for 2 years.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy food.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat a sandwich.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I like trying new recipes.
What's your favorite drink?
I enjoy drinking fresh orange juice.
Do you like desserts?
Yes, I love desserts, especially ice cream.
Do you prefer eating out or cooking at home?
I prefer cooking at home.
What's your favorite snack?
I love eating popcorn.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy my job.
What's your job?
I work as a firefighter.
How long have you been working at your job?
I've been working here for 5 years.
Are you a full-time or part-time worker?
I'm a full-time worker.
Do you like studying?
Yes, I enjoy learning new things.
What are you studying?
I'm studying engineering.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
Do you work from home or in an office?
I work in an office.
Do you have flexible working hours?
Yes, my work hours are flexible.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I exercise every day.
What's your favorite way to exercise?
I like jogging and doing yoga.
Do you follow a specific diet?
Yes, I follow a balanced diet.
Do you enjoy going to the gym?
Yes, I go to the gym 3 times a week.
Do you play any sports to stay fit?
Yes, I play badminton to stay fit.
Do you get enough sleep?
Yes, I make sure to sleep at least 7 hours.
Do you drink enough water daily?
Yes, I try to drink 8 glasses of water every day.
How often do you meditate?
I meditate every morning.
What's your fitness goal?
My goal is to build more strength.